Hey guys, this is Ernie Migali with Migali Commercial Refrigeration and Cooking. Today I'm going to give you an overview of our refrigerator merchandiser series. Now when you buy Migali glass door merchandisers, you are getting the most cutting-edge refrigeration systems, a well-built construction that will stand the test of time, and a bright, attractive design that will proudly display your brand, food, and beverage products inside. Now if you just purchased a glass door merchandiser, or you're just about to, this video will help you see and understand the fundamentals of why Migali products offer the best product value in the market today. Furthermore, I'll break down the product features, benefits, and sizes, and any pertinent technical information so that you can make the best decision about what Migali products work best for your restaurant or store. Now let's go over the double glass sliding door 49 cubic foot merchandiser refrigerator. This model is 54¼ inches wide by 31½ inches deep and 81 inches high. It includes 8 powder coated shelves, 4 wheels, a digital microprocessor, LCD display, and a 1/4 horsepower compressor. Knowing the materials and construction and hardware of this refrigerator is important because it'll give you the confidence that Migali units will stand the test of time, even in the toughest of commercial environments. The exterior is constructed of white and black powder-coated steel, while the back of the unit is galvanized steel. The inside walls are bright white powder-coated aluminum, and the floor is stainless steel with a 1/4 inch coved edge and corners. The coved corners are important because it prevents bacteria from sitting and growing in the small crevices along the floor. The stainless steel floor will also protect the floor from acidic foods and beverages that may, from time to time, spill down from the shelves. Now, the sole purpose of merchandisers is to exhibit the food and beverage products you would like to sell. This model will display your products in a simple, clean, and attractive fashion. The lighted display box is illuminated with energy-saving LED lights and diffused by a translucent acrylic sign. Each unit comes with a Migali factory design display. However, feel free to change out the design and customize it with your own brand or message. The specs for customizations are listed on the Migali website. You can print custom signs at almost any local shop, including national stores like Fast Signs. Next, let's talk about how Migali glass door merchandisers will display your food and beverage products. The inside of each Migali sliding glass door refrigerator is illuminated with 2 energy-saving LED light strips located on the center mullion. These lights direct light sideways into the interior, guaranteeing a brightly illuminated display so that your food and beverage products always look great. Now, why would somebody choose a sliding glass door model over a hinged glass door model? It almost always comes down to the fact that they save space. The sliding glass door model is better for areas with limited space, such as behind a bar or between store aisles. Our glass doors are constructed of 2-pane, low-E glass and filled with non-toxic argon gas to help prevent condensation. This is important because there is nothing worse than when you're a shopper and you can't see the products you want because the refrigerator doors are covered with condensation and humidity. Although keeping your store in an ambient temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit with a low relative humidity helps a lot in preventing this issue, high-quality glass doors are also important in eliminating this problem. That said, let's move on to reviewing the refrigeration system and electrical requirements. This model includes the latest in refrigeration technology, utilizing the most cutting-edge, non-toxic hydrocarbon refrigerants that boast up to 40% in energy savings. This model in particular is Department of Energy, ETL, and ETL Sanitation certified, which is equivalent to NSF 7 for food service. With the ETL Sanitation mark, this product is certified to safely store open food products. Unlike many commercial glass door refrigerators on the market, they are only certified for prepackaged foods and beverages. Rest assured, you don't have to worry about putting open-air food products inside Migali glass doors. They are all certified. You have all the energy, sanitary, and electrical requirements to safely and responsibly operate a commercial unit. All C-Series models are designed with a forced air refrigeration system, which simply means warm air is forced over the evaporator coil, heat is absorbed by the refrigerant, and cold air is circulated down the back wall and through the interior. This Migali model is operated by a digital microprocessor thermostat. The digital microprocessor reduces energy consumption and controls when the compressor turns on and off, fan and defrost cycles, door lights, and enables the user to operate this unit at specific temperature ranges. The LCD microprocessor keyboard is conveniently located on the top right corner of the bottom ventilation grill, and temperature set points and ranges are easily set in seconds. Refrigerators are factory preset to operate at 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, However, you can easily adjust the temperature range if needed. Just remember to call our tech support department if you need any help with this. This model includes 4 casters. The casters are pre-installed to make delivery and installation quick and simple. Just remove the pallet and packaging and roll the unit into place, plugging it into a standard 115 volt, 15 amp outlet. Remember, each unit comes with a warranty that exceeds industry standards, with a 5 years compressor and 2 years parts and labor warranty. You also have the option to purchase another 2 years parts and labor for a nominal fee. In the unlikely event you have a service issue, you can call our 1-800 number or submit a warranty request online under the support link. It is our goal to offer you nothing but the highest quality service and 100% customer satisfaction. Migali products are almost always in stock and shipped from multiple nationwide warehouses, ensuring quick delivery. Furthermore, all Migali products are sold in partnership through our nationwide network of dealers. With over 500 authorized Migali dealers located across the U.S., you will enjoy the hands-on support and personalized customer service from food service equipment experts located in your area. Lastly, don't forget, at Migali, we believe in putting people and our planet before profits. The Migali Plant a Tree Pledge is our commitment to plant a tree for every product that we sell. Trees provide shade, beauty, and food, but even more so, they sequester carbon from the atmosphere and reduce our carbon footprint. But this isn't something we do alone. With every order, we grow together.